What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to Show You How. And guys, today I'll be showing you how to make $100 a day online. And guys, before we actually get into this video, what I'm going to do is actually read my descriptions, because I know most of you don't read the description. So it says today you will be able to make $100 per day online. And yes, you will know how to make $100 a day without no money. Even your age doesn't matter. You will still know how to make $100 a day as a teenager and how to make $100 a day as a kid also. If you follow all my steps in this video, you will make $100 a day in no time at all. So, like I said in the description, you can, I know most of you don't read the description, so that's why I'm reading it to you. So, what I'm going to do now is actually show you how to make $100 a day online. So, the first thing you must do is go to this link right here, and I'm going to show you what it is once I get to the website. Okay, you want to let that load up, and you see your fastest path to a great customer experience, and it shows you all this other stuff. So basically what this is you have to go to different websites and links and stuff, and you just read over the stuff that you see on the websites, and it's basically like a review of what you think of different websites. So basically what you do is sign up for this website. It's free, totally free. You don't need any you don't have to fill out any applications. All you have to do is take your first test on this website, and once they approve of you, then you will be able to get paid for a limited amount of times. And guys, you will get $20 each test you take. So let's say, for instance, you want $100, so that means you have to take 5 tests. So if you want to take 5 tests in one day, you can, and that will equal $100. And basically what you need to do is, on the website, just go to get paid to test, right? Click on this right here, get paid to test. And then they're just going to send you something to your email, and you see it says visit a website or an app, complete a set of tasks, speaking your thoughts out loud, and then get paid. So, and it says you can earn up to $60 per test, but usually you just get $20. So that's what I'm saying. You only get mostly just $20. If you like continue to do it over and over again, you may exceed the amount of $20, but you just have to continue doing it every single day, and usually you'll surpass the amount of $60. So yeah, just keep doing that, and you can see all this other stuff on the website also. And once you do that, go ahead and all you have to do is type in your email. Like I said, it doesn't matter the email you have. You can use Gmail, Yahoo, you can use Outlook, and you can use different other emails too, Yandex, whatever email you have. And then the next website I'm going to show you right here is, hold on, let's go to this notepad. It's called Try My UI, and I love this one right here. So let's go ahead and copy that. And like I said, I'm going to have both of these links in the description below, so you can go ahead and sign up and get paid to test for free without any money. All right, and now we're on the website. So right here on the website, it says, how can you improve your idea? Watch videos of real people using your website and find out. And on here, all you have to do is get paid to test, like you usually do on the other website like I did. So it's basically the same on this website too, but I prefer this website over the user testing website because it's easier to me. So all you have to do is click get paid to test, right? And you scroll down, look, and you just type in your full name right here, your email, scroll down a little bit more, password, whatever you want. Make sure you remember, because you don't want to forget your password. But of course, if you do, all you have to do is send a verification over to your email, and you can get another password, a new password, and just click I'm not a robot, because of course you're not a robot if you're watching this video. Hopefully you're not. Okay, once you do that, they will send you, all you have to do, like, take a test, the first test, and wait till they approve of you. And once you do that, then you can get paid on this website. All right, so this is going to be the third thing that you can do. What you can do is go to YouTube, right? Okay, I'm going to show you this. Most people don't know about this, but I'm going to show you what it is today. Hold on. Let's wait till it loads up. My internet is kind of acting slow. All right, so once it loads up, what you can do is, let's say you're looking for a particular topic that you want to make a video on. If you're just starting YouTube and you want to make a particular topic, so what you would do is you can type in something, for instance, like you want to do something in the niche of, let's say, fitness. So you would type in fitness, right? Click on that. Click enter, and then filter it. And what you can do is go to Creative Commons, right? And you see all these videos right here that you see right now is you can reuse them. So basically, if you reuse them, you won't have to make any of your own videos, but you still can get paid. So let's say, for instance, this video, like all these videos may be good videos. So sometimes your videos aren't as good as these videos. So what you can do is just repost these videos, same exact videos. And actually, if I go ahead and click on one of the videos, look, let's pause this. All right, you scroll down right here and go to show more. Look right here, I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. Scroll down. Let's see. And you see it says Creative Commons attribution license reuse allowed. So basically that's the key word, is reuse allowed. So you can reuse this video if you're in the niche of fitness, and you won't have to create any videos. All you have to do is come back to like the fitness and then go to Creative Commons, and you can reuse any of those videos. So that basically you can get your $100 without making any videos. And that's basically how you can make $100 a day online. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you go ahead and drop a like and subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on that post notification bell to get notified for every upload on my channel. And we'll be back to show you how.